do you need some new ideas on where to take the kids?
The Out and About moms take our own Melissa Cole to the Lutz Children's Museum, an indoor destination packed with all the fun you need. Take a look.
Hi everybody, I am here with the Out and About moms, Mandy and Shauna. Hello ladies.
Hi, good morning Melissa.
And we're at the Lutz Museum in Manchester, and basically what these lovely moms do is go around the state and kind of review kid-friendly places.
Yes, we go to each destination with our children, take lots of pictures, and provide moms and dads with all the details they need to know for going out to these new venues.
That is awesome. And we're at the Lutz Museum in Manchester. I haven't been here in a long time, but this is one of your favorite spots.
It is. We come to the Lutz all the time. It's great for play dates. It's great for little ones. It's really one of our favorite places to go.
All right, we're going to go inside and check it out. You guys excited? Are you excited? I think she's excited. All right, let's go inside. So the first thing I noticed when we walked in, there's coffee and snacks.
Yay. I know. For $1, you can get a cup of coffee and just go and sit and watch the kids play, which is great.
Great. And the snacks?
I know, and if you forget your snacks, you don't have to pack a diaper bag. They have tons of snacks, goldfish for sale. It's great.
One of the big draws for kids is this cool train that goes round when you press the button. The little ones get right into playing while Mandy and Shauna tell me why they love it here.
It's just a convenient, easy weekday outing with the kids. It's closed on Mondays, but every other day of the week. It opens at 9 a.m. Hi, sweetie. And on the weekends, it opens at noon.
And this little area is great because you can kind of sit here and watch everything going on.
Yeah, pretty much. You have a I would say bird's eye view, but you're on the ground. You have the equivalent of a bird's eye view on the ground of the entire museum. So if you have multiple little ones running around, it's really easy to keep tabs on all of them.
Another thing these moms love, the classes. There are so many to choose from. This is a music class. Director Bob Eckert tells me more about some of the other great programs.
What are some of the favorite exhibits when kids come here?
Well, there's a few main exhibits in this room, including a barn that's set in 1850. So everything that a child does in that area is going to be the chores that a child would do on a farm back in that time period.
Like milking a cow. It's almost like the real thing, except water comes out instead of milk.
We also have a live animal exhibit where about 100 animals live at the museum. They are either injured wildlife who came here for rehabilitation or pets, domesticated animals that were injured or abused.
What kid doesn't love to see animals, including Connecticut's favorite prognosticating groundhog, Chuckles?
So we've all seen that on Channel 3 in the morning,
right? Watching
it live usually.
Scott Haney really enjoys the prediction, so we look forward to seeing him every year.
Right, and so if you want to see her up and close, come here to the museum.
Well, come any day of the year, but particularly on Groundhog Day. That's like the biggest holiday of the year at the Lutz Children's Museum.
There's a new iguana, azalea, an owl, snakes, and plenty of others. 100 volunteers ages 13 to 90 help care for them. One volunteer who recently retired just built this amazing playscape for the ferrets. And sometimes you can even get up close and personal with these animals.
So this is a chinchilla.
This is a chinchilla. They come from South America, and we have 5 female chinchillas that live here at the museum with us.
Do chinchillas make good pets?
Well, they are nocturnal and they're very social. So it's tough to have just one chinchilla. Okay. And they are a nocturnal animal, so they're going to make a lot of noise when you're trying to get that little one to sleep. Okay. So maybe not for the young ones.
Right.
We wrap up our day by sending a little postcard to Grandma telling her all about our visit to the Lutz. And yes, they actually mail them.
Well, this was so much fun, guys. Thanks so much.
We had a great morning with you, Melissa. The kids are nice and worn out. Hopefully they'll be
nap time.
Good nap today.
Yes, and stay tuned because we'll feature another fun place in December.
Yes, absolutely.
We'll see you guys then.
Thanks, Melissa. Thanks so much.
All right, if you get a membership to the Lutz Museum, included is free admission to hundreds of participating science centers nationwide.
Plus half-off admission to participating children's museums. It's a great place to check out.
Doritos has launched a contest to win a dream job at Universal, along with $1 million.
Coming up, the submission period is closed, but our friend Gary Craig entered a video of his own, and maybe he can get your help to win the contest.
We'll be right back watching Better Connecticut. Stay with us.